Stop worrying about homework and start learning with confidence. This is Ask Learn. Complete help for every subject. Like, share, subscribe for daily learning videos.
Hi everyone, let's look at a short but interesting problem involving magnetic flux and Gauss's law. So suppose you have a die, a regular die with 6 sides, and we are told that the magnetic flux through the first 5 faces of this die is this formula. Phi B equals plus or minus n Webers. Now, n, of course, is the number of dots on a specific face. We are told that if the number of dots on a face is even, then the flux is going to be positive, and for odd-numbered faces, the flux is going to be negative. Now, given all this information, we would like to calculate what is the flux going through the 6th face. So again, just to remind ourselves, the formula we mentioned at the top does not apply to the 6th face. So what is the flux? So the key concept that we're going to use for this problem is Gauss's law for magnetic fields, which states that the flux through a closed surface, magnetic flux through a closed surface, must be equal to 0. Another way of saying this is that magnetic monopoles do not exist. In other words, if we calculate the total magnetic flux through faces 1 through 5 and add them all up, then face number 6, the flux through face number 6 added on will bring the total down to 0. So let's go ahead and run the calculation. So through face 1, so we know that through faces 1, 3, and 5, the flux is going to be negative. And the flux is just going to be identical to the n. So this is going to be 1 Weber, 3 Webers, and 5 Webers. And then we're going to have plus 2 and plus 4. And we know that the total is supposed to come out to 0. So now we just have to add up the first 5 faces and see what the initial total is before we add the flux of the 6th face. So if we add up all the negative numbers first, 1, 3, and 5, that'll give us negative 9. And if we add up the positive ones, 2 and 4, you get plus 6. So 6 minus 9 plus what equals 0? Well, the answer has to be positive 3. So that is your answer for the magnetic flux through the 6th face of this die.